Welcome to this quick and easy guide on how to delete a messenger chat on your Android device. Whether you're trying to clear out old conversations or just tidy up your inbox, this updated walkthrough will help you get it done in a few simple steps. First, grab your phone and open the Messenger app. Once it loads, you'll see your list of recent conversations. Take a moment to scroll through and find the chat you want to remove. Next, long press on that chat. Pressing and holding will bring up a small menu on your screen with several options like archive, mute, or delete. This step is key because it tells Messenger which conversation you want to manage. Now, tap delete from that menu. As soon as you do, Messenger will ask you to confirm your action. This is just a quick safeguard in case you tap the wrong chat by accident. To finish, simply confirm your choice by tapping delete again. The chat will instantly disappear from your conversation list. Keep in mind that deleting a chat only removes it from your Messenger account. It doesn't erase the messages from the other person's device. So if they still have the conversation on their end, it'll remain visible to them. And that's it. 4 quick steps and your Messenger chat is gone for good. It's a great way to declutter your app and make it easier to find the conversations that matter most to you. If you want to keep your inbox organized in the future, you can also use the archive option instead of delete. Archiving hides a chat from your main list without permanently removing it, so you can bring it back anytime by sending a new message. Thanks for watching.